Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. I'm Brian Bachland, and today I'll be walking you through the 2018 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. This boat has gray gel-coated hull sides, which looks very attractive, and is powered by a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado 4-stroke outboard. So we'll hop on board and take a look. So moving into the vessel, you'll see it's perfectly suited for both fishing and family entertaining and cruising, with a wide open cockpit, wet bar and Yeti cooler to the starboard side. And looking at the cockpit, it easily converts with a transom seat to provide additional seating for your guests. Portside passenger seating converts to a lounge. Moving up to the helm, plenty of space for in-dash electronics, and a Fusion stereo is already installed with premium JL audio speakers. To the port side, we do have a head, which is pump out, and a sink. Very large storage area, accessible through the side or front under the starboard helm. Bow and stern table mounts. And moving forward to the bow area with plenty of seating and anchor storage with bow boarding ladder. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachland from MarineMax Clearwater, 813-503-2649, or direct to the store, 727-536-2628. Thank you.